Hi fans, welcome to France Digital Hub. This is our another edition of our design.
Hello my friends, welcome to another exciting episode in our CorelDRAW design series. In this video, I'll be showing you how I created this social media flyer inside of CorelDRAW. Right? If you've not gotten your Smart Designer Premium asset, it's still very much available. Make sure you get this asset because most of the resource file that I'm going to be using for a very long time is going to be inside of this premium assets. So it would also help you because you get 3D text, your fonts, and your backgrounds for your projects. If you've not subscribed to my channel, now is the best time to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you won't miss any of the videos I'll be dropping anytime from now. Without having to say much, let's get started. So social media flyer, 5x5 RGB inches, and 300. Click OK like this. So you are greeted with this interface. Double click on this rectangle and I can go ahead and give it a white color, but I'm still going to change this color. And make sure you remove the outline, right? So you can this is the white color, so you can right click here or come here and click on none to remove the outline. Right, good. So next I'm going to do, go over to pen tool. I'm just going to click here once, then double click here twice to end the line. So you should have a line like this. So what you should do is come over here, click and hold and select the smart fill and click once like this, right? So click on this line that we had created using the pen tool and delete it. So I left with this, right? So make sure you move the outline, select none. You can widen it like this. Perfect. I'm just going to change the color to a 40% gray. Select your rectangle to draw a rectangle like this, and I'm going to give it a different color so that I can differentiate between the two of them. Remove the outline again for this. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my resource file and I'm going into my graphic design bundle. That is the premium assets. You can see under premium image, this is the image. I can use any one, this one or the red one. So I'm going to use this one for this exercise. So I'm going to reduce the size. You can see it's an image you can use for your club flyer design or your party design. So I'll clip it inside here like this. Click on edit and adjust the size to fit the frame. You can see the frame, right? I don't want that legend inside, so I'm just going to bring it out like this and position it well. When I'm done, click on finish like this. So from this image now, I'm going to be using the colors on the image for my environment. This is what I mean. Select the eyedropper tool, click the eyedropper, select this color here, and I'm going to give, you can see how it blends nicely. Now what I'm going to do next is go back to my selection tool, then go back to selection tool, go back to eyedropper tool, select this color, and I'm going to give this part here. You can see how nicely blended it is, right? So you can choose any color at all from the image itself. So let's do some other things to this image, right? So with it selected, select it, go over to your okay, it's called the knife tool. Make sure the first option is selected, this one, and you want to draw a straight line, slanting line from this part here to this part like this. So when you do it, click out, you see I've divided this image like this, right? So I can choose to make this side bigger like this and select the two of them and move them upward just a little bit and move them to the left so I have space for my text. Okay, so I'm just going to draw an ellipse before I bring in my text. It's not meant to be perfect. I'm just going to draw this like this, and I'm going to select a color from this part here to give the ellipse like this. Of course, remove the outline. Go over to your tools and select the smear tool. And if you are used to Photoshop, the smear tool just works the way Liquify works, right? So this is like Liquify tool inside of Photoshop. So I'm just going to smear this the way I want it. Yours might be different from mine, your outcome. So I'm just going to change the direction of this and this and this and this and this and this and this like this, and this is what I created from it. So I'm just going to use it as a background for this design. Though it's not perfect, but you can spend time on your own and achieve perfection with this. I hope you've learned something new. Change the blend mode to overlay, and like this. The good thing about this is you can actually change the color to fit your taste. Reduce the opacity like this. Bring this down here like this. And now I want to crop out areas I don't need. So I'm going to use my crop tool, draw. Make sure you are selecting first. So I'm just going to draw this. I'm going to zoom in so I am not outside of the page. So this is perfect. This is perfect. I can also zoom out to check this part here. Perfect. Then click on crop. You can see it has gotten rid of those extra outside, right? So like I said, you can also change the color. I'm trying to change the color of the background, so I'm selecting this. Just looking for something that would match the background that I created, right? So reduce this, and I'm just going in to bring my text. So drag and drop. I had to spend time to create this so that would not waste time on this video. So I'm just going to drag. Also, the font that I use, the Galano Grotesque, is part of the premium designer asset. Inside the font pack, you have close to 1,000 and 1,500 fonts inside of that archive, right? And these are all premium fonts. So for this background, I want to actually change it to something that I used. I'm trying to see which one would actually go with what I have existing. I think this is nice, but to be safe, I had created this, so I'm just going to bring it inside like this. And I'm just going to sample the color like this and apply it here. Then everybody goes on happy, right? Now, if you're interested in my templates, these templates are available on the website, in the Telegram group, so you can do well to click on the links, and the link could also be in the description of this video so that you can get these templates for your ready-to-use sessions anytime you want, right? So I'm going to reduce this one opacity or increase it just to blend well. You can see the one I created before, it's kind of different from the one I have now. So when you're using your smear tool, try and be creative with it, right? That's just the secret. So this is what you have here. This is what we have created, right? I'm just going to turn this up like this and I'm good to go, guys. Good to go. Good to go. Good to go. Yeah. Okay, guys, if you've liked this video, if you've gotten something from this video, kindly make sure you click the like button, share this video, and above all, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Or do anything much. I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.